site, and I want to take you through what our plans are for the entire project so that you can watch it in real time as we go along. I'm going to be posting videos as we complete this project, put them in a playlist so you guys can see from start to finish how this all comes together. It all starts right here with this gate. You guys can see, like, I can't even shut it. It's stuck on the grass, which of course we needed to work on and replace, but what we decided to do is to replace the whole wall. We're gonna go back with a stucco wall that matches the neighbor and with a really beautiful decorative gate that almost functions like a door. It's just gonna give this beautiful entrance into this space that it truly deserves, especially when you see what we've got planned behind here. Let's walk through. I'm gonna show you, we're gonna have some pavers that come through here that are gonna match the entire project, but they're going to come through this gate and then onto a whole patio. But before we get to the patio, I want to show you these AC units. What we're going to do here, we're going to have a screen, a louvered wall that comes around here, and it's going to be a giant scale louver, almost like you'd see on a shutter, but on a larger scale. It serves two purposes. One is, of course, for visual from our new patio area. We don't want to see the AC units, but then the second reason is, of course, it blocks sound as well while you're enjoying this outdoor space, because these can get loud. You know, our ACs run constantly in the south during the summer especially. So we're going to have a more beautiful way to screen these out, but of course I still need to be able to circulate air. So this kind of serves function. It also serves beauty purposes as well. So let's walk here. You're going to see this drainage pipe underneath me. This is hugely important, especially in such a small space as we have here. When you have a lot of hardscape going in, you have to make sure that your drainage is done well so you don't have water sitting in different areas. You have to make sure that drainage gets out. So that's hugely important here. And you're going to see behind me, we have these orange lines, and those are what we're kind of drawing out where the retaining wall is going to be. It's going to be a seat wall, which is of course going to add a lot of amazing, useful seating area when the homeowner is entertaining and has guests over. So you can see here, it's going to turn back into this wall here, go out, and then go all the way back to the back wall that's along the back property line. So we're going to put a few plants underneath these camellias, clean them up some, put lighting, irrigation, everything in there, so that'll be its own almost like raised planter box. It'll be really beautiful. So like I said, we're coming through here. We're going to have this patio area here. The homeowner's going to have a little outdoor kitchen on this side, and then we're going to open up, and you'll see that on this side, this was an existing patio. It's concrete. It had split brick on top of it. We're going to cover that all up, bring the pavers all the way out to the new retaining wall, and then all the way to the back of the house. So this whole space that you see right here is going to be a new patio space. So, you know, it is a tight, small space, but it's going to be a huge, useful space for seating and entertaining for the homeowner. There's going to be lights. We're going to have not only up lights into these beautiful camellias, but we're also going to have strip LED lighting that goes underneath this retaining wall. So when it's all said and done, this space is going to be completely transformed, completely different, and just something that I think is going to be like the talk of the neighborhood, and I'm super excited to show you guys where it's going. Make sure that you're following along, because like I said, I'm going to put these in a playlist so you can see it from start to finish, but this whole project, we're going to show you step by step. So you guys stay tuned, follow along. I'm excited to show you guys what's going to happen.